Hello, it's Graham from Luscombe Mitsubishi in Leeds. The walk round video, Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. This is the world's best selling plug-in hybrid vehicle. The reason why, it's four-wheel drive, it seats 5 adults comfortably and luggage, and it'll do your first 30 miles on pure electric before petrol engine's needed, which is no mean feat for a big car of this size. It's in a beautiful colour, which is Amethyst Black. This is the very latest one, which is the 2.4 engine. You can denote that by the different style alloy wheels. We call them the spoke wheels on these, 18-inch. Very nice. What you've got on the PHEV actually stands for plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. So basically it does a bit of everything. It's primarily is electric vehicle. It will not set off with the petrol engine running, because it can't, because there's no gearbox. It'll charge itself if you want it to, and then again it'll be a hybrid because it can use the petrol engine and the electric motors all in synergy, which that's what makes it the best one on the market. If I open up there, like I say, this is the middle of the road, this is the 4H, but as you can see it's very well appointed inside. You've got all the leather interior, driver's side is electrically operated, both front seats are heated. You've got a heated steering wheel in this one as well, and also a heated front screen. You've got the 4 electric window switches there, which are all one touch, auto press. I'll jump inside and just let you have a look at all the dash lit up. So push button start, just press that. Once that ready light stayed solid, basically engine's running. You've got your multifunction display there, which basically does a multitude of jobs. It's an information centre once it's warmed up, so it'll tell you where the power's coming from and so on. It's also your radio. It's also your 360-degree camera. As you can see there, you've got an overhead view there, and you've got the rear shot there. When I move that steering wheel, it moves your trajectory lines on there, so you can see where you're going to end up with the vehicle. There you go. And also, if you put it in a drive forward and press that button there, it brings the front camera up, so you can see how close you are to the car in front, or a low wall or anything when you're parking. It's a really good tool. It really is a good tool. And if I press that button again, it changes the side view there, so you can see your actual alloy wheel, so you know you're not going to clobber it on a curb. You've got dual side climate control in this one, so if your passenger's hot on your cold, you can set it at different temperatures. So set that one there so it actually desyncs. And then down here you've got your heated front screen, and you've got your heated steering wheel. You've also got your lane departure there, blind spot indicators. And move up to your steering wheel. Multifunction again. This side does all your media, so once you've actually paired your phone, the actual radio itself up here, it mirrors your phone, so basically you can answer text messages, WhatsApp messages, all through speech. You don't have to start typing, you can just tell it what to do pressing that button there. And it also runs Google Maps from your phone as well, which is, I think, a lot better than a satellite navigation system at the moment, because it's a live system. So if there's any accidents up front, it'll basically bring it up for you up there. This one's covered 35,136 miles, which nothing really, because you've got to bear in mind you've got 2 engines, so majority of that running may have been done on the batteries. So theoretically the petrol engine itself might have only done 20,000 miles, so it's a good indication to basically the wear of the vehicle. If I spin round there, full leather like I said in the back, really well appointed car. One of our best sellers, if not the best seller. And now they're just pretty much accessible to everybody now. When they first came out they were well over £40,000 these, but now they've come down a little bit. I think we've got this one on at 24,795, which is it's Ford Focus money, isn't it, with all this tech. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, by all means just give us a shout. Thanks for watching.